Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn electrical engineering at home. Begin your journey by understanding the core principles that govern circuits. Focus on foundational laws and the behavior of essential components. There are many excellent online platforms offering comprehensive courses, often for free, that can guide you through the initial stages. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to consistent study and practice. Hands-on experience is crucial for mastering electrical engineering. Start by assembling basic circuits on a breadboard, observing how components interact. Move on to microcontrollers, which allow you to combine hardware with programming. These practical projects will solidify your theoretical knowledge and help you understand real-world applications. Aim for at least 2 small projects each month to build confidence. Once you have a solid foundation, delve into more specialized areas of electrical engineering. Whether it's digital logic, power distribution, or signal analysis, choose a path that interests you. Textbooks and research papers offer in-depth knowledge beyond introductory courses. Engaging with online forums and groups can provide valuable perspectives and help you tackle challenging concepts. Electrical engineering is a constantly evolving field, so continuous learning is essential. Follow industry blogs, technical journals, and online news to stay current with innovations. While self-study is powerful, formal certifications or advanced online degrees can validate your expertise. Connecting with experienced engineers can open doors to new knowledge and career paths, offering invaluable guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.